Imagine a robot doing backflips, dancing on national television, and working side by side with humans in factories. Sounds like the plot of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, welcome to 2026, because humanoid robots are no longer prototypes locked in research labs. They are here, they are real, and they are about to change everything. In this video, we're going to break down the 5 most mind-blowing humanoid robot breakthroughs of 2026 that you absolutely need to know about. And trust me, some of these will leave you speechless. Before we dive in, if you love staying on the cutting edge of AI and robotics, hit that subscribe button right now. We bring you the latest breakthroughs every single week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. 2026 has been the single biggest year for humanoid robotics in history. We've gone from grainy lab videos of robots struggling to walk to polished commercial products that can run, climb stairs, carry boxes, and even perform on stage in front of millions of viewers. Multiple companies have crossed critical thresholds that experts thought were years away. The global humanoid robot market is projected to hit over $8 billion this year, and it's accelerating fast. So what changed? 3 things. First, AI brains got dramatically smarter thanks to advances in large language models and reinforcement learning. Second, hardware costs dropped as manufacturing scaled up. And third, real-world deployment began in warehouses, factories, and even homes. These aren't science experiments anymore. They are products. And they are coming to a city near you sooner than you think. Let's start with the story that broke the internet. Unitree Robotics, a Chinese company, brought their humanoid robots to America's Got Talent in 2026. And the result was absolutely wild. Their robots performed a choreographed dance routine that left Simon Cowell completely speechless. The video racked up over 2 million views in just 3 days. But here's what's really impressive: these aren't one-off prototypes. Unitree's G1 humanoid robot is available for purchase right now. We're talking a bipedal robot that stands over 4 feet tall, can walk, run, climb stairs, and even perform acrobatics. And the price tag? Under 20 grand. That's less than a used car. Think about that for a second. A robot that can dance on national television costs less than a Toyota Corolla. Unitree has already shipped thousands of units to researchers, developers, and hobbyists around the world. Next up, we have Figure AI, and this is where things get really serious. Figure's humanoid robot, Figure 02, has been deployed in real warehouses doing actual productive work. We're talking about robots that can pick up boxes, move items between shelves, and organize inventory, all autonomously. In early 2026, Figure live-streamed their robots working in a BMW manufacturing facility, and the footage went absolutely viral with millions of views. What makes Figure different is their approach to AI. Their robots use neural networks trained on massive amounts of human demonstration data, so they can learn new tasks just by watching a human do it once. No programming required. Figure has raised nearly $2 billion and they're scaling production to thousands of units. These robots work 20 hours a day, don't complain, don't get tired, and don't ask for breaks. If you're finding this as mind-blowing as I am, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe. We've got even more incredible breakthroughs coming up in just a moment. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, Tesla's Optimus robot. Elon Musk has been promising a humanoid robot for years, and 2026 is finally the year it's delivering. Tesla has deployed Optimus units in their own factories, where they're sorting battery cells, moving parts between assembly lines, and handling logistics. The latest videos show Optimus walking smoothly, picking up objects with precision, and even doing yoga stretches to demonstrate balance and flexibility. What's really interesting is that Tesla is using the same AI systems that power their self-driving cars to control Optimus. This gives them a massive advantage in computer vision and real-time decision-making. Tesla plans to start selling Optimus to other companies by late 2026, with a target price between $20,000 and $30,000. At that price point, the economics become incredibly compelling for businesses. Boston Dynamics has been the gold standard for robot agility for over a decade, and their latest Atlas robot in 2026 is nothing short of terrifyingly impressive. We've seen Atlas doing parkour, backflips, and now full-on acrobatic routines that would put an Olympic gymnast to shame. In their latest video, Atlas performs a complex sequence of cartwheels, handstands, and flips with fluidity that's indistinguishable from a human athlete. The key breakthrough? Reinforcement learning trained in simulation, then transferred directly to the real robot. Atlas can now react to unexpected obstacles in real time, recover from falls instantly, and navigate complex terrain without any pre-programmed paths. While Atlas isn't commercially available yet, the capabilities it demonstrates set the benchmark for what all humanoid robots will eventually be able to do. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room. With all these robots getting incredibly capable, should you be worried about your job? The short answer is, it's complicated. HSBC just announced 20,000 layoffs driven by AI automation. Consulting firms are projecting that humanoid robots could replace 600,000 to 1 million jobs by 2033. But here's what most doom and gloom videos won't tell you. Every major technological revolution in history has destroyed jobs and created new ones. When tractors replaced farm workers, we got truck drivers and mechanics. When computers replaced typewriters, we got software engineers and IT specialists. Humanoid robots will create entirely new industries: robot maintenance, AI training, robot supervision, custom programming. The key is to adapt and learn the skills that will be in demand. And those skills largely revolve around understanding AI and robotics. So there you have it, 5 humanoid robot breakthroughs that are reshaping our world in 2026. Unitree is putting affordable robots in people's homes. Figure is deploying robot workforces in factories. Tesla is scaling Optimus for mass production. Boston Dynamics is pushing the boundaries of what's physically possible. And society is starting to grapple with the profound implications. One thing is absolutely certain: the future is arriving faster than anyone predicted. And the robots? They're just getting started. If you made it this far, you're exactly the kind of person who needs to be subscribed to this channel. Hit that button, turn on notifications, and join us as we cover the AI and robotics revolution every single week. The future is happening now, don't watch it from the sidelines. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.